Hey everyone, it's me, Wingrocker here again, and this is just a short video for making a little discovery I had during the movie hangout this morning, which was awesome. And I was playing with my Blizzard Nova right here, or also known as Killer Freeze's brother, or whatever you would like to call it. And I just noticed something. I noticed that I had this piece right here on the back. And I just noticed something. I could actually take the parts of the freeze crossbow, or the freezing crossbow, whatever, and take this piece right here and just kind of pull it out or something. Just put in the crossbow. Yeah, this is the piece I used to put the ice cannon back in vehicle mode. So, take the marble right here, and yes, the back is really clean because I had a little cleaning yesterday, and so I got something like this. Yeah, I get another set of wings, just like my Selkmonk Leon. Look at that, a crossbow pair of wings. Look at that, crazy, freaking crazy. But just this once. This is gonna be hilarious. Putting the sword while it's still in robot mode, you get this. You get a freaking sword tail. Okay, laugh all you want. This is freaking hilarious, but just this once. I am not gonna do it again. It's freaking hilarious and stupid. So yeah, just a short video I made and doing a little discovery. I hope you enjoy it. So yeah, thank you for watching. This is Wingrocker, also known as Leon Schneider, signing out.